Well, good afternoon, magandang tanghali, and welcome to a very special episode of My PI Dream. Today, we are going on a really neat tour of a house, and it's part of a very special event called a house blessing. And if you're familiar with our channel, you know we love house blessings because we did our own house blessing here for Villa Feliz. And we also did another one of the residents inside our neighborhood earlier. And I believe he's actually going to be at this house blessing again today. Well, we were kindly invited to do some video on that house blessing for today. So let's go ahead and get today started. Now, without further delay, let's get today's video underway. Well, now I just noticed it is starting to rain, but luckily when people do things like house blessings, they always put the appropriate tarps and awnings on the outside of the house. They're like mobile kind of roofing so that in events like today, which it's raining right now, it protects everybody inside and it doesn't spoil the event. All right, well, let's go ahead and go inside and meet and greet everybody at today's special event. I just want to show you a little bit from the outside vantage point of this. Now, this house was just completed. It was just completed, and the contractor and his entire crew are here today. All of them, from the architects to some of the laborers to the engineers, they are here today for this house blessing event. And this is the house. This is the house of the Farrells. A beautiful design, and I just want you to try to guess how quick this house was built, how much time it took to build this house right here.
Merry Chris and John would like to welcome everyone to the blessing of their new house. This has all happened with very little notice, so thank you everyone for coming today. They would like to welcome some special guests for their ceremony today. Thank you to Father Glenn Cantos, who at short notice made himself available today. Also, here today are the godparents of Mary Chris and John, Ninong Barangay Captain Rolando Olan, and Ninang Mrs. Nida Olan. Barangay Captain Olan will cut the ribbon to the main house along with the project engineer Romeo Nacete. Councilor Attorney Gali Angeles and engineer Alvin Calian will cut the ribbon for the extension house.
Ama namin, sumasalangit ka, sambahin ang ngalan mo.
So what we're going to try to do, we're going to try to get a private tour from the contractor actually who built the house here. So once the crowd gets down just a little bit, and what we'll do is we'll ask for him to show us some of the details of each one of the rooms inside the house.
Ang kapayapaang kaloob ni Kristo maghari nawa sa ating mga puso at ang salita ni Kristo manahang lubusan sa ating kalooban upang anuman ang ating ganapin sa salita o nawa. Thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah, hi Mary Chris. Hi Jan.
How are you, boss?
I'm good. Still loving kicking.
Hey, Mr. Tanner. Hey guys.
How are you, Mr. Tanner?
I'm doing great. Thank you for inviting us to this wonderful event here today. We're doing a...
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much for coming as well.
Well, we're doing a little bit of vlogging for you guys, so you get to see everything everybody else got to see here today. Not quite real time, but it'll be close to it. All right. Thanks, guys, and congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Construction workers and painters and foreman, thank you very much. Without your without your hard work, a building of this quality would not be possible. Thank you to Mr. Trillanes, Mr. Stanner, and Mr. Crowell of the Tierra Maria Homeowners Association for their help and support. Thank you to Mary Chris family, Alvin, Arnold, Nida, Amelia, Avi, and Kevin, and all for their help. Looking forward to the day when restrictions are lifted and they can come home to meet everyone and hold a proper housewarming. Thank you, everyone.
So I think we're going to get a private tour. This is actually Romeo. Romeo is the contractor. He's the main man. He's the owner of Caribbean Construction. He's in charge of all the architects, all the engineers, all the laborers. He's the guy that got this project done. And remember, I told you the amount of time. Well, I didn't tell you the amount of time. So this is a pretty big project. What's the time it took you to build this house, Romeo?
6 to 7 months.
6 to 7 months is what it took him to build this house right here. And it's beautiful. And that includes everything, the landscaping where we're at right now, the fence, everything. So let's go ahead and do a tour. You mind?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, great.
Let's go.
Kitchen area.
Yeah, this is the kitchen.
And this whole area here.
This is the guest room.
It's a guest room.
Yeah. And this is the pantry.
Pantry.
And here's the dining. And here is the laundry. The laundry plus the extension room. The brothers, the ones going to stay here with his family.
Oh, okay, okay. So there's a lot. Are all these bedrooms and
Yeah,
maybe a water
this-
closet or a
this is
comfort
the
room? Comfort room there?
Yeah, this is the bathroom.
Oh, I'm glad nobody was in there when you just opened that door.
Yeah.
Oh, very nice tiling, very nice detail. Very nice. And two rooms
Yeah,
here?
2 rooms.
Oh, the kids are gonna love the colors on the
Yeah.
wall inside here. With the wardrobe. Screen for keeping the mosquitoes out of here.
And there's the other room.
Another room inside here. Again with the wardrobes inside here. Okay.
So we'll go upstairs.
Okay.
This is the storage and the
Storage.
yeah, and the common bathroom.
Okay, common bathroom over here. Steps.
So let's go. So this is the family area.
Okay, and out here we have a balcony area. You can't see, but this is all glass. Very nice. Lets all the light in here. The detailed ceiling. Now, what kind of, for your soffit that you have here, what kind of material is that soffit? Is that powder coated? Powder coated aluminum for the soffit
Yeah,
material
they
there?
call that is spandrel.
Okay. And your windows that you have here,
Yeah,
The-
that's a reflective glass.
yes, it's like a mirror because you can see me. Now you don't.
this is the master bedroom.
The bed will go over there.
Yeah. This is the walk-in closet.
Walk-in closet. And also, oh.
Yeah, this is the master bathroom.
Very nice here. Shower. Okay. Oh, we got
Yeah,
a
the dresser.
makeup station there.
Yeah.
Very nice. Oh, look at there.
And this is the bedroom one for his daughter.
There's a bedroom for another bedroom for their daughter.
Yeah, closet.
Lots of wardrobe space in here. Okay. So Romeo, since the owners aren't here, who picked out the design for all the tile? Did you send them samples or pictures of
Yeah,
samples?
we send them a sample and they just choose what they want.
This is very nice. I really like because this looks like it looks like stone, natural stone inside it.
Common bathroom.
Common bathroom. That's a big shower area. Granite?
Yes, granite. Yeah. And this is the bedroom 2.
Bedroom 2. So there's 3 bedrooms up here, a master, a bedroom 1, and a bedroom 2. And the same type of closets over there, wardrobe. Nice view of the backyard, huh? You got all the grass down already. Now what kind of trees? A lot of those look like mango trees. Is that?
There's some mango. I don't know the other trees.
Got good space in it. Got a lot of space in the backyard. I think you got a lot of space in the back.
Yeah.
Because the house is a little closer to the front, so that gives you more space around the back. I think this area is going to probably be used more than any of the other spaces, especially in the evening time.
Yeah.
For the TV and any of the media stuff right here, with a couch inside, with a beautiful view. Look at the palms that actually line the streets and all out there. So it's going to be a really comfortable spot in the house right here. I just want to ask you one question, and one question has to do with the design. Now, I know your team put all the design together, so did the Farrells, did they come to you with something in mind of the way they wanted, and then you designed based on their taste, or did you already have some stuff in mind to show them ahead?
No, we give them the design and they just revise other area. But actually, me and the architect who did the design.
So they probably liked what you had at the very beginning. Just said, "I want to make some modifications here."
Yes.
Good deal. I've seen some of your designs before, and we're going to show some of the designs of your architectural team. You should see some of the designs these guys came up with. Now, sometimes people buy in; they want the design, and sometimes it all depends on your budget.
Yes.
On the budget, how many features you get, whether you want a 1-story, a 2-story, or a 3-story, or something like that. And then sometimes some of the plans that they make, other people can use too. So you got some really great plans. And again, we're going to show you some of those plans in some upcoming videos, because I got some like 3D CAD from these guys right here, and they're pretty exciting. And of course, no event would be complete inside the Philippines. It would be complete without a feast like they do here. And what I can see is a lot of traditional Philippine foods here that you would normally see. Oh. My favorite here. Now, I think I might have overdone what I have on my plate right here, but I bet there's not going to be anything left by the end of the meal. Oh, already got a garden started right here. I see a little bit of vegetables inside the ground. This looks like ginger, this place right here. This is from the back of the house. Let me show you from the back, looking towards the back of the house. And what I'll try to do, we're heading out here in just a little bit, and I will try to fly the drone from our house over here so you can see from a bird's eye view what the design looks like, because sometimes you get a better idea of how a house is designed from the air.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. Well, anyway, we're going to close out today's video. A special thanks and shout out to the Farrells for inviting us to this wonderful event. It's a very special event at the beginning of the rest of your life in your new home. It has a lot to do with the blessings inside your house, making sure that your house is safe and secure, and that you have a good future inside your home.
Prosperity,
health,
all
the good things, and we all need good things inside our life, and that's what it's all about. Again, Farrells, we want to thank you very much for inviting us, and thank you to Romeo of Caribbean Construction for giving us the tour and some of the explanations of some of the process for building the home for the Farrells as well. Now, the Farrells are still in Australia.
Yes.
I'm not sure the date that they're going to get over here. I know a lot of people are having some difficulties because of all the COVID, the pandemic that's going on right now. But we really look forward to having you as neighbors in this wonderful neighborhood of ours. So anyway, that's it. Until the next time, we hope you enjoyed today's video. Please give us a thumbs up. Please share, and if you have not subscribed, just click on that little My PI Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. You will be subscribed, and if you ring that bell, you'll be notified the next time we upload a new video. So until such time, from right here in the wonderful Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right, and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.